Good afternoon. My name is Donovan Allen, and I'll be talking to you about portion control and micronutrients. So, about 2/3 of the U.S. population is overweight or obese, and a contributing factor to this is portion distortion. And a solution to this growing problem is having a comprehensive knowledge of micronutrients and knowing exactly what is the recommended intake for an individual and how it affects the body. This topic is relevant to me in my profession because I am a certified personal trainer. You can ask Shona, trainer. And yeah, it's something that I had to know. So what is portion control? Portion control is having the proper amount of measure or serving size per calorie count and fat content for different food and beverages. And some tips of proportion size is eat what's recommended on the box and not the entire box or can. Eat when you're hungry, and try not to skip meals, and eat foods that are nutrients dense rather than energy dense. So I have like an apple over a donut. And there's also apps for smartphones, if you have any, that can help you with your portion size to let you know if you're exceeding or even if you're under a caloric intake. Because the key is to have a balanced nutrition. So carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is one of the 3 micronutrients, and micronutrients are food groups that are required in the human's diet to sustain life. And the 3 are carbs, fats, and protein. And carbohydrates are your chief source of body energy, and it's recommended by the RDA that individuals have at least 45 to 65% of intake daily, and that converts to 130 grams a day at least. And just to go through a couple of roles that it has in the body. So carbohydrates provide energy from simple sugars, starches, and cellulose, which is fiber. Simple sugars are easily digested, and they're best consumed before and after a workout. Double sugars or disaccharides require more energy, and starches require more energy to be break down to simple sugars, blood glucose. And then cellulose and fiber are carbs that are provided from fruits and vegetables, and they don't provide much energy, but they provide you with the feeling of being more full, so you don't overeat. And they help with intestinal mobility, basically, so you can excrete. And workout recommendations: high carb diets are used for athletes or anyone active for energy, obviously. And the best time to consume carbs are 2 hours to 4 hours before a workout, and also an hour after, to help prevent muscle breakdown. And then proteins are amino acids linked by peptide bonds, whose primary function is to build and repair body tissue and structure. It's required by the RDA to have 15 to 30% daily caloric intake of protein, and 1 grams per kilogram per day for bodybuilders and active recreational athletes. The body uses the protein to break down these amino acids for utilization. Protein is broken down in the stomach by hydrochloric acid and an enzyme pepsin. If carbs are too low, then protein can be converted into amino acids for energy. And basically, like exercise requirements is most protein drinks or post-workouts or pre-workouts, you should have some protein for those gains. Lipids consist of fats, oils, phospholipids, and sterols. And 1 gram of fat yields the most energy out of all the macros. So for 1 gram you get 9 calories, while the rest you get about 4 grams of protein. 4 grams of energy, excuse me. And it's recommended by the RD to have between 10 to 30% caloric intake every day. And then you have different type of fats. You have saturated and unsaturated. The unsaturated are your HDLs, and then your saturated are the LDLs. And basically, they're all the same, but just one has more hydrogen bonds attached to the fats than the other. Basically, fat is used and absorbed by the body to help with intestinal movement and also hormonal releases. And like I said before, some of the functions are: it provides energy, it provides structure, and membrane functions and cellular responses. So basically, the whole point is to have a better understanding of your portion controls and knowing how to utilize your macros to live and lead a better and healthy life. This method is shared and used by almost all fitness professionals and health professionals to help their obese and overweight clients. And basically, every action that's easy to do is also easy not to do. And if you follow these simple truths consistently over time, you can make an impact in your life. Life is better when you enjoy it by being healthy and in shape.